Hey, so if you are watching the Intro to Playmaker 2021 version on the Hutong YouTube page, you might come across this error message like I did today learning Playmaker, saying owner needs a collider or a GUI element to respond to mass events. The way to fix it, or first, the reason why this happened is what they want you to do is they want you to add a 3D object that is a cube. I wanted to learn how to do 2Ds games and 2D programming, so I went to 2D object and did sprite and did square. So when I hit play and follow what they did as a cube, even in a 2D workspace, it's working just fine. But when I go to the square, it's not working. I have the error message. So how do you fix this? You right click on square, you go to properties, you scroll all the way down, you go to add component, physics, 2D. Since it's a box, we'll just add a box collider, close it, hit play, and now it works. You can then, if you wanted to, go to add transition, system events, mouse up, drag it right back, hit play again, and then it will be working the same exact way as the 3D object. Hope this helped, guys.